favorite by far is the WildBird. Show you how it goes. So we're gonna go on a walk with the dog. Just flip it over where it says this side. So go like this. And you put this on. Yeah, that's the princess. She's ready for the walk. Now you have these two that clip. You have the right and the left side. So you have a buckle. You can loosen it however you want to. If you want to keep it a little bit tighter. She's around 4 months right now, just 3-4 months. So got my 2 clips, my buckles, and just what's easier for you, whatever you guys prefer. I just do it halfway, so that way I give her enough room, so that way I can just slide her in. Boop. This is even. So just like this. No. I have a mirror right here. Okay. I should just squeeze this thing right there. Okay, now, since I know I have to put the buckle and lock it up, make sure her arm is tucked inside. I grab this extra one. Flip it over. Now we're gonna just like that. And then I can also fix this one up if she's a little bit too loose for me. I don't want to put it too tight so I don't suffocate her. So what comes with this WildBird also, this carrier, is the headrest. So you can flip it. I'm just going to be gentle with it. See? And if not, then you could just keep it like that. I feel like as they get older, they probably won't even want it, but for those that are just a little bit younger, it feels good, but that's how it is.
So you don't get too hot in it. You don't feel like you're suffocating when you're carrying baby inside or outside. I have really narrow shoulders, and a lot of other carriers feel like they sit on the edge of my shoulder, and I feel like baby's not as secure. This does not. It sits right against my neck, which I love. It also sits above your waist, so it's higher there and does not inhibit your range of motion. Like if you're trying to get some exercise in, walking, that kind of thing, it's great for that. As you can see, baby really loves it. It has this flap here that can support baby, but also it easily flips down. You can turn baby towards you or away from you so that they can look out. You can even wear it on your back and carry baby on your back. It is an awesome carrier, super comfortable, and works so well. Highly recommend it.
If you are on the fence about the WildBird carriers, I 100% recommend that you get this. I went back and forth with my first. This carrier is absolutely amazing. It's really lightweight but breathable. We actually just got back from Florida. We're in the 100-degree Florida heat. I was fine. She's about to fall asleep. She absolutely loves it. She's all a little tucked in here. It has really good head support, so whenever she gets a little bit bigger, I can flip this up. I've seen people nurse in this. I personally have not tried yet, but it's, I mean, very easy to put on. You put on this part first, and it's crisscrossed in the back. If you can see that, it's crisscrossed in the back. I personally will do the waist part. I strap in the one side, I put her in, and then I strap the other side, and then you can tighten it as needed. Say, like she falls right asleep. If you have multiples, I mean, this is so much easier. She's got great support in this. and I just could not recommend this carrier enough.